Welcome to Galactic Secrets. Today, we're diving into one of history's most perplexing mysteries, the Tunguska event, an explosion so powerful it leveled over 800 square miles of Siberian forest back in 1908, yet left behind no impact crater. What could have caused this? Was it a natural disaster, a comet or meteor, or could it have been something far stranger, perhaps an extraterrestrial encounter? If you're intrigued by unsolved mysteries and alien theories, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell so you'll never miss an episode. Let's journey back to the early 20th century and unravel the mystery of Tunguska. 1. Setting the stage. What happened on June 30, 1908? On the morning of June 30, 1908, a massive explosion occurred over the Podkamennaya Tunguska River in the remote Siberian wilderness. Witnesses reported seeing a bright blue streak in the sky, followed by a flash and a shockwave that shattered windows and knocked people off their feet over 40 miles away. The energy released by this event is estimated to be equivalent to 10-15 megatons of TNT, nearly 1,000 times more powerful than the bomb dropped on Hiroshima. But strangely, despite its devastating impact, no meteorite or crater was ever found, making it a unique mystery among astronomical events. 2. Theories and possible explanations. Since the Tunguska event, scientists and researchers have proposed several theories. Here are the most prominent ones, each with its own fascinating evidence and unanswered questions. 2.1. Meteor or comet explosion. The most widely accepted theory among scientists is that the explosion was caused by a meteoroid or comet entering Earth's atmosphere. According to this theory, an object exploded at an altitude of 5-10 kilometers, releasing a massive amount of energy but disintegrating before it could impact the ground. Some scientists believe it was an icy comet, which would explain the lack of debris found on the ground since it would have evaporated in the atmosphere. This hypothesis accounts for the intense explosion but leaves many questions about the mysterious blue light and other visual effects. 2.2. Asteroid airburst. Similar to the meteoroid theory, some scientists suggest that an asteroid composed primarily of rock and metal may have caused the explosion. Unlike a comet, an asteroid would have survived longer in the atmosphere, releasing more kinetic energy and causing the widespread destruction observed. This theory aligns with other airburst events, but the lack of any remnant fragments or a crater still complicates this explanation. 2.3. Natural gas explosion. A less conventional theory is that a large amount of methane gas could have accumulated from natural processes below the Earth's surface and ignited due to friction or a lightning strike. Given the swampy terrain and the prevalence of natural gas in Siberia, some scientists argue this could explain the event. However, critics of this theory point out that an explosion of this magnitude is unlikely to occur from a natural gas release alone. 2.4. Alien encounter or UFO incident. Among the more speculative theories is the idea that the Tunguska event could have been caused by an extraterrestrial vehicle or technology. Proponents of this theory argue that an alien spacecraft may have exploded or malfunctioned above the region, explaining the lack of terrestrial debris. This hypothesis has been fueled by various reports of strange materials found near the site and accounts from witnesses who saw bizarre lights in the sky before the explosion. Though largely dismissed by mainstream science, the idea of an extraterrestrial encounter continues to capture the imagination. 3. Investigating the scene. Expeditions to Tunguska. It wasn't until 1927, nearly 2 decades after the event, that Russian scientist Leonid Kulik led the first expedition to the Tunguska site. Kulik expected to find a massive crater and remains of a meteorite, but to his astonishment, there was no impact crater. Instead, he found a vast area of trees flattened in a radial pattern, as if an explosion had occurred above ground. Since then, numerous expeditions have tried to find definitive answers, but the Tunguska mystery remains unsolved. 4. Signs of radiation and anomalous evidence. In recent decades, researchers have conducted extensive soil and tree ring analyses in the Tunguska region, revealing unusual signs of radiation. Some trees show accelerated growth that could indicate exposure to intense radiation or an unknown energy source, which has fueled further speculation about an extraterrestrial origin. Microscopic metallic fragments found at the site have also raised questions, although no conclusive alien materials have been identified. 5. Legacy and impact of the Tunguska event. The Tunguska event is more than just a historical mystery, it has had a lasting impact on scientific research and our understanding of cosmic threats. It highlighted the real possibility of large objects impacting Earth and the catastrophic damage they could cause. Today, Tunguska is a case study for scientists and space agencies studying near-Earth objects, NEOs, and has spurred efforts to develop strategies to prevent or mitigate similar events in the future. 6. Could we ever solve the Tunguska mystery? The Tunguska event remains one of history's greatest mysteries, and despite advances in science and technology, no single theory has been able to answer all the questions it raises. New research continues to emerge, and as technology improves, we may one day have the tools to uncover what truly happened in 1908. Whether it was a natural cosmic event, a unique atmospheric phenomenon, or an encounter with extraterrestrial technology, the mystery of Tunguska challenges our understanding of the universe and leaves room for speculation. Thank you for joining us on Galactic Secrets. If you're as captivated by the Tunguska mystery as we are, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we release our next deep dive into the unexplained. Share this video with anyone who loves a great mystery, and stay tuned as we continue to explore the cosmos and the incredible mysteries it holds.